a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Boy Raised. Boy Raised is a 2018 American biographical drama film based on Garrard Conley's 2016 memoir of the same name. It is written for the screen and directed by Joel Edgerton, who also produces with Kerry, Kohansky Roberts, and Steve Golin. The film stars Lucas Hedges, Nicole Kidman, Russell Crowe, and Edgerton, and follows the son of Baptist parents who is forced to take part in a gay conversion therapy program. The film had its world premiere at the Telluride Film Festival on September 1, 2018, its international premiere at the Toronto International Film Festival on September 11, 2018, and was released in the United States on November 2, 2018, by Focus Features. Plot: Jared Damons is the son of Marshall, a successful car dealer and Baptist preacher, and Nancy, a hairdresser. Jared leads a well-adjusted, happy life at home, school, and on weekends. He is secretly gay and, weeks after breaking up with his girlfriend and starting college, reluctantly comes out to both his parents after a classmate, Henry, rapes him. Marshall signs him up for a gay therapy conversion, to which Jared reluctantly agrees. Weeks into his therapy, Jared makes friends with other gay attendees, also seeking to become straight. Jared finds out that converters are being abused by the therapist. He challenges chief therapist Victor Sykes when the latter suggests his father doesn't like him. After talking with Jared over the phone, Nancy removes Jared from the program and eventually takes Jared home, much to Victor's disappointment. Upon their returning home, Marshall is furious and refuses to talk to his son anymore. Jared goes on to write a memoir that exposes the harsh treatment of people in such therapy. Marshall then apologizes to his son and Jared reconciles with his family. An epilogue reveals that the leaders of many therapy groups were fired in the wake of Jared's memoir, although many therapy groups still remain active. Production. On June 8, 2017, it was revealed that a bidding war had begun between Netflix, Annapurna Pictures, Focus Features, and Amazon Studios for distribution rights to a film package that would star Lucas Hedges and Joel Edgerton, with Nicole Kidman and Russell Crowe, and be directed and written by Edgerton and based on the provocative memoir titled Boy Raised, a memoir. On June 21, 2017, it was announced that the bidding war for distribution rights for Boy Raised had boiled down to Netflix and Focus Features, and the latter ultimately won the rights. In the press release, director Joel Edgerton spoke proudly of the project, stating, "In August 2017, the majority of the supporting cast was announced. In September 2017, Joe Alwyn and Madeline Klein joined the supporting cast as well, and principal photography on the film began September 8, 2017, in Atlanta, Georgia. In April 2018, reshoots took place." Release. The film had its world premiere at the Telluride Film Festival on September 1, 2018. It also screened at the Toronto International Film Festival, first for the press and industry on September 8, 2018, and then for the public on September 11th, 12th, and 15th. The film was scheduled for a wide release on September 28, 2018, but this was pushed back to November 2, 2018. Critical response. On review aggregator Rotten Tomatoes, the film holds an approval rating of 85% based on 131 reviews, with an average rating of 7/10. The website's critical consensus reads, "Anchored in empathy by writer-director star Joel Edgerton, Boy Raised proves the road to complex, powerfully performed drama can also be paved with good intentions." On Metacritic, the film has a weighted average score of 71 out of 100, based on 42 critics, indicating generally favorable reviews. Audiences polled by PostTrack gave the film a 95% overall positive score and an 85% definite recommend. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?